Hi everyone, my name is Ruchi and today I'm here to show you how to do mandala art. Are you all ready for that? Okay. Now for that mandala art, we need a paper, then we need rounder with pencil, then we need black pen, black gel pen. We are not using in this the ball pen. We need only the black gel pen, sketch pen, and the ruler. We require all these things for the basic mandala, and pencil also. These are the basic things required for the mandala. Now I will show you with mandala. Now I have taken the piece A4 size paper. Now I will take the center of the paper. Now this is the center of my paper. I'll put my dot so that you all can see. And this is my rounder. I will take first. I have to make one circle, so I will take the measurement of 1 centimeter. You can see 1 centimeter I had taken. Now I will make a circle with that. This is my This is my first circle. Now again we have to do one more circle. Now I am taking the measurement of 1.5. It is 1.5. It is again I have to make a circle. It is, see, you can see the circle is there. Now this way we have to make 7 circles. Now they all have different measurement. Now I am going to make a circle of 2 centimeter. 2 centimeter. Okay. Now third is 3 centimeter. We have to take it, keep the rounder on the center point only. This is 3 centimeter.
So there is a reason why there are these different centimeters?
It's just for giving the shapes, giving the design. I had kept the different sizes.
Okay.
You can take a simple way because just to enhance, just to give the proper design,
Okay.
I'm using different measurement. Next is 4. This is the 4th one. Same again with the center point. Done. The next is 5. I'm doing with the pencil because it's the first time you all are doing. Otherwise we can do directly with the pen also. But this pencil marks we will erase later. Next is 6.
Is there a reason why mandal is always in circles?
It's basically they made it when it started by Buddhism. It is mandal means a center, a circle. That way it's a form of meditation.
Okay.
Because if you are doing this straight line or standing line, you will not be able to concentrate. And if you are doing with the center or a circle, you get that concentration.
Okay.
The last one is 7. To draw 7 circles. Now we have to start with our design inside the circles. Now I will make a simple flower in the first circle. Later we will do with the black pen on this. It's just to show you I'm doing with a pencil. And in this circle we have to draw one small line how flowers are having.
Okay.
This way. Now in the second circle, you can see the second circle, we will make small circles touching each other.
So mandal art has circles, or that is also different?
Yeah,
Okay.
all different. You can,
Okay.
there are multiple things you can do in these circles.
Okay.
And mandal art, there is no same designs in between the lines.
Okay.
It is always different.
Okay. And symmetry.
Yeah.
Okay.
You cannot see half you are doing in circle and half you are doing some squares.
Correct.
It is always in one line, all same.
Okay.
It gives you a lot of concentration because there are many small things, integrate things in this. Now we have draw these circles. Now in these circles also we have to draw something.
Okay.
Now this is done. Now in this we have to do vertical, horizontal lines in between. Anyway,
Okay.
randomly.
Okay.
I'm using pen for that so that you can able to see.
Ha.
To do these lines, any way you can do.
Okay. What kind of art form is mandal? I mean, is it used for some purpose, or it's just for
It's
fun?
basically for the spiritual.
Okay.
When it started, people use it for the meditation, and like Buddhism started this. You can see a relation between concentration to be connected with the God.
Okay.
It takes time to do because there are things you have to cover.
Correct. The finer, better.
Once you feel ki no, my lines are not coming proper, but the final outcome will be amazing. And don't worry if your lines are not coming straight or something, because first time, second time, it's okay. Final look will be amazing.
Amazing. Basically, it's all about concentrating
Yes,
on what you're doing.
yes. It helps you in to understand yourself also.
Okay.
It will give you positivity,
Okay.
which is very helpful nowadays.
Okay.
And anyhow, everybody knows art gives you positivity, meditation.
True,
It
true.
gives you happiness also.
I know. True. Sense of fulfillment. Too.
Yeah. You feel satisfied when you're doing something and the outcome is good. So you feel like proud of. This is I'm saying. Now these things are like do in the doing all my or do.
Wind your entire day.
Yes.
Nice.
I'm happy to do. Like I'm enjoying each and every moment. This is done.
Okay.
Now after that, on these circles we have to make loops. As half circle, semicircle you have to make.
Okay.
Like this. On these circles.
Okay.
Like this. Just like how the flowers are.
Okay.
That way.
For people who don't know, I know that Ruchi is an amazing cook. So
No, nothing. I'm just learning everything. This lockdown gives me like opportunity to learn many things now. Just enhancing myself.
True. Increasing skill sets.
Yeah.
Lovely.
After doing this, we have to make leaves on these circles like this.
Ruchi, there is something called this dot mandal. So, what is that different from the mandal that you're showing?
Dot mandala is in that we are using different colors and we are creating the picture with the help of only dots. I can show you my one art which I am doing. It's not finished. I'm just doing.
Okay.
This is called dot mandala. I use different colors and only the dots are there. There's nothing else.
Okay. So it is only on dots.
Only on dots. And we can do
creation.
with the colors only. The paint colors.
Okay.
Because the effect will come with the colors.
Wow.
Paint colors.
Beautiful. Waiting for it to be completed. Wow.
Yeah. I'm just working on the paint. It is taking too much time. I'm not able to finish.
You've also done a wonderful work over here.
This is also a dot mandala and this is also a dot mandala.
Okay. But they are all the same thing, which kind of different thing, but in symmetry form.
Yeah.
Only it's in dots.
Yes.
The shape is dots.
Yes.
Okay.
It's a different form of mandala.
Okay.
How you have heard about this, the sand mandala also?
Yes.
But this, the same way.
Okay.
It is they are doing on the sand in a different way because it is difficult to do on sand.
Sand, yes.
It is too difficult because the all the lines and everything to show visibility.
Correct.
The clarity.
This is really amazing.
These are the small things. That's why it is taking time. Otherwise, I think so. Those who are perfect in drawing can do. This is done. Now, after this, again we have to draw lines in between like a flower.
Okay.
Okay, it is done now.
Okay.
Now I will do, you can see which was circle first, second, third. Now we are on fourth circle. On this circle we have to draw simple lines.
Okay.
You can see all are different textures in this. I am using flowers in first, second in the circle with the lines, then the leaves, now in only the standing lines. Now if you slowly we are doing, I am totally, right now I'm talking, otherwise my thing is I'm totally engrossed in this, my whole mind, body, everything is in the drawing.
Yes, I can actually feel it that you are in it.
And I'm the person who used to do like alone sitting and doing.
Yes, we know Ruchi who doesn't talk much.
I'm talking today a lot.
And we are happy about it.
Yeah, I'm enjoying.
Good.
This is my first experience.
Yes. And it reflects nice. It's beautiful, Ruchi. Ruchi, does these kind of therapies, like art therapies and all, help you in your school? Like you are a teacher trainer, right? So.
Yeah. See, many times, like I use these therapies, the painting, drawings and arts in my teaching career also. With the small kids we also use this. Not exactly the mandalas and all, but the drawing we did.
Correct. Okay.
Like if we want something to know about the child, we are going through the art form.
Okay. Okay.
We are just seeing, we are giving the multiple colors to the child and which color child is choosing.
Correct.
We come to know about the child's behavior.
Okay. Oh. It's a different science also.
Yeah, it is a science because if the child is using the Wallin colors,
okay,
what is the mindset of the child?
Okay.
If the child is using the soothing colors, what is the mindset of the child and how the child is using those colors?
Okay. Okay. Wonderful.
And when we are giving some drawing, like with the elder people, we are giving the drawing, how patiently and with the proper concentration they can do. Okay. We'll come to know.
Okay.
It is helpful in that way also. Like I had done with my students also, like big students, like the teacher trainer.
Wow. Okay. So you're
People,
teaching.
yeah.
Teaching.
I had done with them also just to know about their caliber, about their concentration, about their skills, what they have.
Wow.
Because in the teaching field, you need lots of patience and concentration.
True.
And every teacher has to work for that.
True.
And it helps me a lot.
Correct.
It helps me a lot. We always keep like art session in our schools for the teachers.
Mm-hmm.
Arts in a different form. Art is painting also, art is dance also, art is singing also.
Correct.
We used to keep everything for the students about them.
Yeah. Yes, students means your teachers.
Teachers. Yes, when I was teacher, now the big girls and all.
Very interesting. Ruchi, how do you know about these patterns? I mean, these patterns that you're drawing, are there some different types of pattern that are taught, or
yeah,
it's just okay?
See, basically, I had not taken any professional, like you can say, course for that.
Correct.
I just randomly Pinterest, some videos I'd observed. I learned first the basic patterns.
Mm-hmm. And then
what are these patterns and how people are doing.
Interesting.
Then I started my work.
Interesting. So color therapy, art therapy is all that you involve to understand and teach your teachers.
Yes.
To understand about kids in school.
Yeah.
Lovely.
Because all the psychologists, when they are dealing with the small kids and all, they are using art therapy a lot. Because kids love to play with the colors and
correct.
all.
Naturally, they do.
So it is easy for them to do the sessions with the treatment and all.
Correct.
If you say nowadays people are doing a lot this art therapy, and there are professionals, many who are doing only art therapy.
Mm-hmm.
They are not doing psychiatrists, they are not psychologists, nothing. But they are art therapists, and they are going to different schools to take sessions with the small kids and the big kids. Now this is done the 4th.
Okay.
Now we have to go for the 5th.
Okay.
For the 5th we have to make triangles.
Mm-hmm.
See, in this you can take anything. I have taken triangle. You can take any other pattern. I will show you few patterns.
You could jumble these ones also.
Yeah, you can jumble these ones also as per your liking.
Okay.
There is no specific thing. See, you have to like go in a proper form, up and down. You can change your own. You can make circles also. You make it spirals also. You can make mountain. You can make valley shape also. Anything.
आपले बरेच व्ह्युअर्स मराठी आहेत, त्यांच्याकरता जरा एक थोडक्यात जरा ट्रान्सलेट करण्याचा प्रयत्न करते. रुची म्हणाली होती मध्येच आता की कलर आणि आर्ट थेरपी हे आजकाल शाळेत खूप घेतात. त्यांना त्यांच्या शाळेत म्हणजे स्टुडंट्स करतात किंवा लहान मुलं असतील ते कुठले कलर स्कीम्स घेतात किंवा ते ड्रॉइंगमध्ये कुठले कलर्स वापरतात, त्यांच्याबद्दल त्यांना त्यांच्या सायकोलॉजिकल म्हणजे त्यांचा माइंडसेट काय आहे किंवा ते कुठल्या क्षेत्रात चांगले असतील हे सगळं त्यांना सायकोलॉजिस्टना ते मदत होते. ती टीचर्सना ट्रेन करते म्हणून तिला ते आर्ट थेरपीमध्ये खूप रुची आहेच आणि त्यामुळे तिने स्वतःच हे सगळं गुगल पिंटरेस्ट वगैरे मध्ये बघून स्वतः मंडल आर्ट हे शिकलेली आहे. तिने बरेच असे डॉट मंडल्स पण केलेले आहेत. हे बेसिकली फक्त कलर्स मध्ये करतात आणि ते पण एक टाईप ऑफ मंडल आहे पण कलर्स मध्ये, वेरेज जे मंडल प्युअर असतात ते फक्त ब्लॅक अँड व्हाईट आणि शेडिंग मध्ये असतात.
Now we had done this the triangles. Now in this we will make small triangles.
Okay.
In this only.
Okay. त्या सगळ्या पॅटर्न किंवा शेप्स तुम्हाला म्हणजे एक आर्टिस्टला ते म्हणजे दे आर अलाउड टू हॅव दॅट आर्टिस्टिक लिबर्टी की जे पाहिजे तो शेप ते करू शकतील त्यांच्या.
They can create their own also.
नाईस. कॉन्सन्ट्रेशन करता पण हे खूपच उपयोगाचं आहे. जसं रुची म्हणाली तसं सगळं काम संपलं घरी की ती एक मंडल करून झोपली की ते इतकी रेज्युमिनेट होते की दुसऱ्या दिवशी परत ते काम करायला किंवा त्या रात्री छान झोप तरी लागते. इट इज नाईस. आज नक्कीच मी ट्राय करणार आहे.
आय एम डुइंग ऑल दीज थिंग्स इन द नाईट ओनली. बाय 11 आय विल सिट विथ दिस वर्क until 1 o'clock.
बरोबर आहे. आज म्हणजे घरचं काम वगैरे संपून
It will help you if it's on you when you are doing, but
Correct.
it will be helpful for you for your understanding, for your stress relief. Or sometimes your whole day goes in work, and you
Correct.
need to sit for yourself. So it will help you to understand, to make you happy.
करेक्ट. द मी टाइम जे
Yeah, me
आपण
time.
म्हणतो मी
Yes,
माय
correct,
स्पेस टाइम.
correct. Because normally otherwise we will sit for the movie, we will sit for the like watching TV.
करेक्ट.
Or chit chat or surfing here and there. If you are doing this, I am 100% sure it will help you a lot.
करेक्ट.
You will gain confidence also after getting the concentration,
वा.
because basic thing is getting concentration. It
म्हणजे
will-
ऍक्च्युली थोडं त्यांना
Yeah.
एक काहीतरी ड्रॉइंग टेन्शन पण रिलीज होतील त्यांचे.
I am working with the autistic kids. We are
Okay.
doing with them also these things.
ओके.
People will say they are doing according to them.
Caliber.
Yeah, they are caliber, but they are doing amazing. The impact is amazing on them.
Wonderful.
Now they are working on life skills.
Okay.
Those kids are.
Correct.
So it's amazing. The impact is on them also.
Them
Like
also.
people are saying they are hyper, too much aggressive and all. But it is affecting them also.
So it kind of soothes them.
Yeah.
Too. Wow.
Now done this is.
Okay.
Now our next step. Now again we have to make this leaf, the shape is slightly different.
Okay.
You can attach with the down circle, this triangle. Now how I am doing.
Yes, Prashali, you have asked whether the video will be available afterwards. Yes, Prashali, it will be posted on our wall and you can see it whenever you want.
And basically when you are like, it is sometimes, see it's person to person. If you are doing art, you are getting peace of mind and because of that.
Correct.
Because peace of mind, your mind is away from everything, no
Correct.
other things in mind. So lots of things about your life you can think.
Correct. There's something called in mind stilling. So it
Yeah.
helps you mind still and get
Yeah.
creative.
Yeah.
Wow. Lovely concept.
It is helpful in your day-to-day things also.
Yes. I know we are so used to brainstorming that mind stilling is something that we are not taught.
Yes.
And this helps you do that.
Yes.
Lovely. Lovely.
You can see the leaves are done. I think so 4-5 leaves are there. In this also we are going to do something.
Okay. So इतकी इंटिग्रेट पॅटर्न्स असतात आणि खूप सुंदर होत चाललंय ते.
Yes.
Wow.
That is the only beauty of mandala, because
Okay.
so many intricate small things are there. Now, half of this leaf, a small demarcation you can see, the lines.
Beautiful. So mandala designs,
Geometric
mostly.
designs.
Wonderful.
All kind of patterns. Whatever pattern is in your mind in this.
Correct. All the geometric is all about in the sphere,
Yeah.
in the round shape. Wow. Okay. The image is not sharp. That's what they're saying. Let's hope it gets a little better. Sonali, you're not finding it sharp, the image. Please, can you tell me if it is sharp now?
It is looking like a leaf now.
Yes, it is. It is. And it's looking very beautiful.
See, if your lines are coming uneven, it's okay.
Let me try to put it on a stand and see if it's getting more better. Is this better? Sonali Kamath, if you're watching, can I know whether it's a better image now? Okay, looks like there's a bit of network problem. That's what they are thinking. Because we have put it on a stand. Created a little stir in our lives.
True. The morning tide was way too
Yeah.
much. Where we have to complete all the leaves.
About concentration. Very
Yes.
true. The more you are doing it,
Yes.
even I feel like talking less.
Yeah.
And that's a surprise.
You feel like doing only. Like you don't want anybody around. But this is more because it is in circle. It is in circle, that's why.
So it's good.
Like how you say na कि केंद्र बिंदु word use करते हैं. Like people are
Correct,
saying.
correct.
The concentration you have to be at the center point. You have to see.
That's how yantra, I think, it was coined by the Hinduism.
Yes, yantra is coined by Hinduism. They had made everybody knows shape.
Correct.
And with the force everywhere we used to do modifications.
Correct, correct. New ways,
Everybody new techniques, new ways people want to do. So we can do in a different ways. Now we have to make small.
I think there is some network problem. People are finding it very difficult to see today, looks like.
Today maybe. It is done now. Now what we have to do.
This is lovely. Five
lines we finished. Now the sixth line. Sixth line is something like totally abstract.
Okay.
Anywhere you have to do lines.
Okay.
For this, I want to draw one more line.
We have come back. Yeah.
Okay.
There is a problem happening. The Wi-Fi is, it's coming, going. My network is coming, and I apologize for that today.
Now, I have taken again the rounder. I want to draw one small, one more circle above that leaf.
Okay.
So this is my circle I'm again making.
Okay.
Sorry.
Okay, so you did those dots and the rounds, and on top of it you made a circle. Okay.
Now we have to do the lines. You can use any way, horizontal, vertical, straight lines, sleeping, whichever way. Line.
Okay.
not more than that.
ओके.
This way we have to cover the complete again. And this all different lines will also give some design pattern.
Okay. बघता बघता किती सुंदर झालंय हे. खरंच तुमची इट्स नॉट लाईक की आपलं अगदी सिमेट्रिकल असलं पाहिजे.
नाही, in this nothing.
नसलं तरी ते खूपच सिमेट्री वाटायला लागलेलं आहे आता. छान.
I'm just doing randomly. There's nothing like you have to follow some pattern like sleeping, then standing. I'm doing anyway.
Such a beautiful piece of art it looks now.
It needs your patience also.
Correct. Actually, it will build patience too.
Yeah. I know first time when I sat to do this, in half an hour I said I will not be able to do because too many things to.
I know. We have so many
things.
thoughts in our head
Yeah, I will not.
that you feel that we need to do so much other things.
Yeah.
Correct.
And it is taking too much time. When I was started this dot mandala, this Buddha, I was keen, no, I will not be able to do. But too much work.
Too much work.
When suddenly, I don't know, slowly one day, one line, one day I was doing.
Okay.
It is not in one day I complete the thing. It's in a day I was doing one line, second day, second line.
Okay.
Then in, I think so after a week, I sat and I complete 1/4.
Okay.
Now I can do.
So you
Very
grow your
well.
patience.
Yeah.
It doesn't happen overnight.
No.
Lovely.
It is not possible.
So there is still hope for us.
Yeah. If I can do, I can do. Because life is like we have so many things and we are not removing time for ourselves. Like
Correct.
the food for our heart and brain, we
Correct.
are not giving.
Correct. Correct. True.
Our inner
Absolutely
sense, we are not understanding. The art is helping us for that.
true. That.
And I think so this is the best way to understand.
Correct. Absolutely right.
And a few days back I was listening this Bhaulkar Kaka's session.
Yes.
I was like, I had it also, ki for me Marathi, understanding Marathi is not so easy.
Yes.
But I was enjoying.
Yes. Art is something that I guess.
Yeah, I was
makes
literally
you do
enjoying. And
that.
I was able to understand.
Correct.
It was like I was able to understand now.
It was such a fluid talk.
Yeah.
I mean, it was so beautiful.
And I was enjoying each and every word he was saying and I was understanding that's the best part. Otherwise, if people are talking fluently, it is difficult for me.
Actually, he has such a fun way of saying such big concepts. He's just excellent in that. He makes life and art so easily.
True.
The concept that he taught us all was that you can see art and creativity in everything.
Yeah,
And
that
it was so.
I was relating
it's so
ourselves
light.
because also creativity is everywhere.
Correct.
If you are doing anything in a different way, that is creativity.
Creativity. Wow, Rishi, this
You have seen this is completed now.
wow.
Now the last line,
Yes.
which is very simple also.
Okay.
Again the same way we have to draw leaf.
Mm-hmm.
But in this the filling, the inside filling will be slight different.
Okay.
Not too much. Because if you see all the mandala, the last line always lighter
Okay.
as compared to the inside part.
Inside part. Okay.
My observation. I'm not expert, but
That's how they do it.
yeah, whatever I had seen till now.
Okay.
This is done.
Fabulous.
Now in
Fabulous.
this we have to standing line,
Okay.
and we have to start from the top one point only and make another line
Okay.
like umbrella.
Umbrella. Okay. Nice. Actually, in life also there's so much of symmetry we have. Okay.
You can relate yourself with an art. Things in our, you can say, in history, in the art, so many things. See, the history part. On the wall with the help of painting.
Correct.
People
Correct.
were expressing themselves with the help of painting.
Painting. Correct. All the caves and
Yeah. And you are like right now, if you're going to the caves and all, you're understanding the past history,
Correct.
how the lifestyle was, what are the moods and all. If the people have the knowledge,
Correct.
the artist can understand those languages easily.
बघता बघता किती सुंदर हे दिसतंय आता.
Only the last thing is remaining now, which will give the, you can say, highlight
Okay.
of the art. But that is required.
Sure.
It's a partition.
अच्छा.
Which is very important.
Yes, yes. In life we have, आपण कप्प्यात जे जगतो ते.
Otherwise, this no,
Correct.
like it is done only.
Correct.
And if you see, when you are doing outlines and all, it gives the neatness to your drawing.
Correct. I think this art form also.
Basically, if the art is teaching us patience, it is applicable everywhere. We can use it in our life,
Correct.
in your place, also everything.
ऍक्च्युली कसं स्ट्रेंज आहे, आपल्याला सगळे म्हणतात बाह्यमुखी व्हा, आणि जेवढं तुम्ही अंतर्मुखी होतात तेवढंच आपली कला आणि आपण निखरतो, हे तेवढंच खरं आहे. वा.
Now this is done. Now we have to do the borders and my inside flower also, which is remaining. I had not the circle this because initially I used pencil.
Correct.
Then I thought it will take too much time if I'll repeat
The pattern. And
I think so art is a thing everybody can do. Initially maybe the the person will feel my cup of tea.
Correct.
But slowly, gradually, with the practice, the person will enjoy. And I am telling you, when I started first mandala, I did with a pencil only, because so many times I have to erase.
Correct. Because that symmetry doesn't come.
Yeah, it will not come. Now also I can say it is not 100%, but I can do.
No, I don't see any flaws, but of course.
There are few. Now this is done. Now we have to start with our circles.
Okay.
Now we have to, because we had drawn 7.
म्हणजे हे पेननी परत ते डार्क केलं की त्याला जे आउटलाईन येतं त्याच्यामुळे अख्खा ड्रॉइंग असं सुंदर दिसायला लागतं. ओके.
Because sometimes you see that there are lines coming down, they're uneven.
Correct.
So when you are doing outline, it will
even out.
Yeah.
Okay.
And the mandala is all about circles only. So we have to enhance that also.
Okay. We forgot to talk, Lisa, you were telling me about Zentangle actually.
Yeah.
So is that another version of mandal?
No, mandala is different and Zentangle is different.
Okay.
Zentangle is totally different. You can say abstract form.
Okay.
There is no particular shape. And here you can just make the shapes and fill it. I can show you my one Zentangle art also.
Sure.
This is Zentangle art. You can see there is no part division is not proper.
Okay.
It is not an equal shape and size.
Okay. It is in any form.
Yeah, it is any form. That abstract, how abstract? Any form, any way.
Correct.
Only the filling is there.
Okay.
But it is, all are in different.
So unlike this, the mandala is more about being in shape.
Yeah.
Okay.
Like how doodling. Doodling is totally like you just playing with the pencil.
Correct. It's playing with the pencil.
Yeah, scribbling and all.
Scribbling. Yeah. We used to doodle in school books.
Yeah, people are comparing that also with mandala, but it is only scribbling sort of.
Yeah, it's a scribbling drawing. Mandala is more of a symmetrical drawing.
Yes.
Okay.
Because when it started, it is basically for the spirituality, different cultural programs, cultural belief people are using this now also.
Okay.
Now also, when there are some cultural festival is there in Hinduism and all, people are using this, making this, making this art.
Correct.
Because they are saying it a symbol of spirituality.
Okay. आपल्या यंत्रामध्ये जे गोलाकार असतो त्याला मंडल म्हणतात. आणि जे स्क्वेअर आहे ते दार आहे असं म्हटलं जातं.
The 4 corners circles are द्वार.
ओके. खरंच मंडळी केवढं शिकायचं आहे, केवढे आर्ट फॉर्म्स आहेत.
We have seen many rangolis also. People are doing big. It's all a sort of mandala. Because that you can properly relate with mandala.
Correct.
Rangoli.
There is more symmetry in rangoli.
And people are using for the cultural things only.
Correct. Again, it's for cultural and religious purpose only. Correct.
The difference is the paper and the floor.
Yeah.
People are doing on the ground and all.
And of course, this is with pen and that is with colors.
This also we can do with the colors.
Okay.
See, basically, for start, we have to use pencil and pen.
Mhm.
Then you can go to the colors. There are different fluid pen also comes.
Okay.
Watercolor pens,
Okay.
which we can use for that.
Mandalas.
And some artistic people are using the brush also.
Okay. Wow. So
For the
it will be a
brushes.
very fine tip
Yes,
plus
yeah.
brushes.
And for this mandala also, we have to use 0.5
Okay.
pen.
Pen which is 0.5.
Yeah. We cannot use because we need the fine tip.
Okay.
Mine is not because I'm
Okay.
just learning. So this is the art. This
Really,
I,
that circles made a lot of difference.
this I
in that.
practiced in the mo.
Wow, you have drawn exactly the same, and it is beautiful, beautiful. And this is the Zen. And this, what you call, was another mandala,
Mandala.
which you had.
A modern mandala.
A modern mandala. Okay.
This is also a mandala. You can say all symmetry things are there.
Okay.
It is properly symmetrical in shape and all.
Correct. And this is what we call as a dot,
Dot
mandala.
mandala. It's okay.
Wow. Amazing. Amazing, Ruchi. That was a very, 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 very enlightening session that we had. Thank you for being
Thank
with us.
you for giving me this exposure because this is my first time I am on live and I was slight hesitant to come on. It's your support and motivation. Today I'm doing at least.
I'm honored. Thank you.
Because
Thank
it is
you.
difficult. Yeah.
Thank
Thank
you,
you. Thank you. Hope everybody liked it. I'm happy. See you tomorrow with again new things.
Thank you.